Well, today's the day. I received a call from Falicon 2 days ago, and they said my crankshaft for my Harley Davidson SS-250 is done. Finally, after I think 4 months? Yeah, I'd say that. I just had the regular crank. I had a new old stock connecting rod put in. Let's see here. It's kind of interesting trying to cut on here. Let's see here. And let's see how it looks. I'm really curious to see how they did it this time. Should have gotten a real knife. This came from all the way from Florida via UPS in 3 days. Florida, Wisconsin, 3 days. That's pretty good. Always thought with UPS, you always get it quick from them, but it's not as cheap as the post office. There we go. There's one side. There's one side. The order. We'll look at that later. Here's the old connecting rod. Yeah, it's that Kajiva connecting rod again. The big end was out of round. Packaged very much like my SP-250's crank. Got the full molded foam here, see? All nicely molded. And there she is. There it is. Let's take it out of the wrapper. We gotta. Let's see here. Let's see here. Let's grab it. Smells like WD-40. Yep. See, they trued it, welded it. It's a new old stock connecting rod from Mike Ward. Again, thank you, Mike. I really appreciate it. They drilled the hole on the top for the small end. That was no charge.
What are you trying to build?
Trying to unwrapping a new crankshaft. There you go. There you go. Take out the. There you go. New old stock. There you go. Sometimes there's a nice weld. Again, very nice welds. The guys at Falicon. Look at that. So yeah, it's all ready to go. Yep. Now all we have to do is throw it in the engine, get the engine all assembled, and hopefully the next video you see it is the SS-250 running for the first time since last fall. So see you later. Bye.